A stunning power struggle is unfolding between President Trump and Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook, with the fate of the Fed's independence hanging in the balance. Cook's lawyers have taken the fight to the Supreme Court, arguing that Trump's attempt to fire her is an attack on the Fed's autonomy. The controversy began when Trump announced his intention to remove Cook from her position, citing allegations of mortgage fraud. Cook, a nominee of President Joe Biden, strongly denies these claims, which relate to property she owns in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and Atlanta. But here's where it gets controversial. Trump's move to fire Cook is seen by many as a direct challenge to the Fed's independence. The Fed, as an institution, is designed to be free from political influence, allowing it to make decisions based on economic data and analysis, not political agendas. Cook's lawyers argue that Trump's actions are an attempt to eviscerate this independence. They claim that the president is using flimsy allegations conveniently timed after his criticisms of the Fed's policy decisions to justify her removal. The key question here is whether Trump has the legal authority to fire Cook. The Federal Reserve Act requires that governors can only be removed for cause. Cook's legal team believes that the allegations against her are not sufficient grounds for removal, and that she is entitled to due process, including notice, a hearing, and judicial review. And this is the part most people miss. The Supreme Court's decision could set a precedent for the future of the Fed's independence. If the court rules in Trump's favor, it could open the door for future presidents to remove Fed governors at will, undermining the very foundation of the institution. Cook's lawyers are confident that the court will side with them, stating that the court is likely to hold that Governor Cook is entitled to meaningful protection, and that the for-cause standard is not just a formality. So, what do you think? Is Trump overstepping his authority, or is he within his rights to remove Cook? The Supreme Court's decision could have far-reaching implications for the future of monetary policy and the balance of power between the executive branch and the Fed. Weigh in with your thoughts in the comments.